watching
Yandra.
another live show this morning.
Right.
Another sunshine. I say another morning, another
Yeah.
sunshine.
Yeah.
And bukan bito kani na baka rombuka ni kuwa. We say Bula Binaka to you all.
Thank God it's Friday. Matagatu ni Singapore Rombuka. Totokatunan raki and a korturanga lebungo suba. Just look at the weather. A very, very good weather this morning. And Bula Binaka to those tuning in from the village.
Yo.
Varomeka tuna la ya na itete na matani kuwa.
Dina.
And can varo taki tuna bika so membele tiketa na muni madha wa be. Kia muni na sema tubai and muni babarau. Muni ngole may na be market.
True or false?
False.
Hey, we say good morning to Maramaneta from
Right.
Kandavut.
Right.
Na itoke
Iyo.
ni Roba
Wow.
in Newtown.
Oh.
Hey.
Iyo.
Uy.
Ano ka Maramanite?
Yeah, Roro bar. There's different kind of bar.
Right.
There is a cooker bar.
Yeah.
Cookies bar.
Right.
To the line bar.
Right.
To everybody enjoying from different
Any style ba? No mo ba?
bar. Excuse me.
Any style ba?
Iyo.
Any style ba? The boss, the owner, the manager.
Iyo.
Went for
The CEO.
The CEO.
Yeah.
Yesterday, we went on the funeral service for Achumama.
Iyo.
6 o'clock at home. I went to the bar.
Bo class.
Iyo.
I self when I'm full of grog, I believe.
Why full? Why full?
Full ni
You,
yan ko na.
I have a lunch time at 4
Yeah.
and 6 o'clock at home. Why?
Yeah. It's full.
What full?
Because you two mouth. Obong ko naman ko ruwa.
Mouth to mouth.
Mouth to mouth. Hey, good morning to also to Jay Ratimbiu to Tobata.
All right.
Yeah.
And not forgetting one a friend from Navua.
All right.
To Turangatau.
Who's?
This one driving from Wenrandra to Naitoni.
Right.
Thank you very much, Turangani thank you very much for joining this morning.
I saw one X yesterday. Bulu binak one X.
Right.
Also Undo Mone.
Yeah.
And bukan bito kani sigana Noah. My Ratu Tau Nugitau. Ben Rabulo.
All right.
And the crew, the Losi crew,
Right.
sudah boleh besar dan Karavitawi as we pay our last respect or our last goodbyes to Ouch Mama
All right.
yesterday in Newtown.
O Tobata talagang go chito lutung go siya masarap may waivu may rewa.
Yan benar kan?
Bulunaka.
Melina Erlalebu, thank you very much for joining this morning.
All right.
And also to every driver, LM24.
All right.
To Rosami, thank you very much for joining this morning. And also to all the villages
Yeah.
of Naila
Right.
from Bautelebu joining this morning.
And say good morning to all those Vasu, Achumama's Vasu.
Yeah.
And
Kuku.
Yeah, Vusuya.
Vusuya.
Kuku Telemu,
Yeah.
Yava.
Sa.
Bula Benaka, Mabul Sugan Visti, become the Sarana Turangatai, Vinavalim Sara, to Tokana, Tokani and Bukuni Sosengona, and singing and all.
We say good morning to Ouch family.
Right.
We believe that listening in this morning.
Right.
To Matakali Serra and to beautiful girls.
Yes,
Deborah Patiki Jimaima, na boleh besar na bito kanya na matakari pakatang besikani ko.
Yeah.
And after the funeral yesterday,
Yes,
after
yes. Continue.
said our goodbye to Ouch,
Right.
and then bulu-bulu na singa no, and we came together as a group, as
As a
friends,
team, as a team.
as workmates.
Yeah.
Na team Sarangango, Kortrali,
And,
wala
and,
mataki.
and I'm surprised
Yeah.
what happened next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very hard to tell,
Yeah.
because very hard to explain.
Yeah.
Because some of us,
Yeah.
when we work as a team,
Yeah.
since we work together in one company,
Yeah.
we have to continue that bond wherever we go.
Good. Hindi na Sarah.
But nevertheless,
Yeah.
there are some of the
Judas
team.
Iscariot.
Yes, of course. There are some of the team members
Yeah.
who always betray.
Yeah. Oi.
Betray.
Bimbi Mika.
Yeah, very, very. This is very harsh word. They betray
The trust.
the trust
And the friendship.
Yes, the friendship.
Yeah.
And the loyalty of the rest of the team.
Yeah.
Okay.
When we go to one place,
Yeah.
we stay at one place, and we come back as one piece.
Right.
But
right.
unfortunately,
Yeah.
some of the team members
Yeah.
who are not really loyal to the team,
Yeah.
before the game starts,
Yeah.
they are out outside of
broken to pieces.
the ring.
Yeah. I would like to say goodbye.
Wait!
Okay, come. Ciao. What
It's not you. It's not you. And they tried to go and join another team.
Yes.
Oi!
of course.
Yeah, and that team is totally opposite of our team.
Right,
They want to join that team. I don't know why. When they go and join that team,
Yeah.
they also want to interact the team. When they interact the team,
Yeah.
that team is like not the funeral yesterday. It's
Okay.
like a Campbell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The powder. I don't know why.
Yeah. Okay,
The
okay.
powder here.
Right.
Hurry up.
Okay, Mika.
Wait.
Right, my.
Today is my day. Wait.
Kaleo Petero, come back.
Today, wait. The powder in the cheeks.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
This is the funeral of Ochimama.
Yeah.
Don't know, man.
Okay, Mika, people will be asking,
Yeah.
do you have a proof?
Yeah,
Ah.
I have the proof.
Who's the proof?
You wait and see in the BDFM Facebook page.
Is the mastermind.
Yeah.
I would like to thank our mastermind.
Who's?
Jay Latimbiu.
Oh, that's my bashu.
Mastermind takakele tu nakakele.
From Onelau,
After eating lunch,
Yeah.
the fellow told me,
You eat.
eat ni kambula.
Why?
After that, we was there after lunch.
Right.
Everybody was come, full.
Yeah.
Then after full,
Yeah.
the sunlight on top.
What fool?
Full, nakete.
Yeah.
Na mata ni siga tu ida kero sa taka myself
Yeah.
karua momo
Right.
mone buiti barata
Right.
and also to
Jay, that did be watching.
Jay Latimbiu. Sa pasimenilang ako sa bangko tomata
Yeah.
kinto ibi. Mata ni siga tu
You like you blaming him.
Saya ngau ka kontrol tato nakakede.
No.
Nukila nyo ngona mata sa fumi kenanga mata ni tunganga veo kani nganga na tomata.
So you forget the team. You think about the top.
Ausa kila na mela itu na team.
Who's?
Oiko. Ausa bango mone was like this. Mikael is there.
Yeah.
Sauka Sabungale.
Right.
Myself. Okay. We don't drink together with Mika.
Why?
This one will roughly. And nabara rote kinto.
You should come. You see the melody of the Dolce sound.
No, dol singore na yali ni sana turumen ng bilo levo sa dol singore kaya to combo melody mai.
Yeah.
Sana ata to nangaw na sana ni melody. Sana melogoy.
And then.
Ocha, rawi tu bango, keto sa rawi tu sa bango. Okay, ibe kento. Mata ni singa,
Yeah.
kana si betu mengo,
Right.
bilo levo betarabi.
Right.
Okay, we will finish. Kento na lenga.
Yeah.
Video call.
Who's?
Nada ba ko nambure call.
Right.
Yeah, hall.
Call to all the TikTokers.
Yeah.
You
Niko
went to the
Boy,
TikTokers.
I was right.
Iyo. Keto la iso siyang ko nang go matikero to na TikTokers. Oh, tama ni puta.
OMG, I just can't believe it.
Iyo, be relax. Ausa lang tu bango na matangono.
Right.
Yo na matu na matalilo.
Why?
Ele ka tiro.
To look around.
To look around me lobi. From the outer corner.
Yeah.
Ay so already to talaga baka sa liboto buto kaya. Ndo na ka na ba sinay pati kaya tiyo na itambo bang koto?
No. Can be.
Kan bi may na itambo sa buko mengori.
Yeah,
And then after that I was like this toto.
Right.
Mentaru ono sa daru sa elike ni berni sombu mo Samuela.
Oi.
O turangata ni bati kaysa.
6 o'clock in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Nadapo ko na ba manito?
Saya nga balik tu kilan niya Samuela ke rubita belin.
Yeah.
And na la kumengo na lang kasar ngayo.
Yeah, di na sir.
Come to me.
Ako no yaw sa Railiw. Come to me melengkasi. Au sa Railiw.
Yeah.
Ber tu no kay. Wawa tikiri abale, wawa tikiri.
Yeah.
Abang ko oi bi adi o den robe ital no abata. Mo ke ko ibi. Abang senga. Abang ko to, kentor berna no mentor sayali. Pakan tua.
Yeah.
Jauh bale tu no kay ko le krok tale to, sa sikat talento na krok wa bising ni mataka.
Okay.
My come.
The question is,
Yeah.
when you reach home,
I reach.
the powder on your face, on the head,
Iyo.
what did the people at home say?
Ito bang
What is the reaction at that time?
They was reaction, they was shocked, eh?
You,
Yeah.
like,
This is a funeral.
Yeah.
How come the powder in front of the daddies?
Nimo.
Oh, Nimo and everything.
Oh, okay.
Nimo.
You should bring Nimo home.
Bring Nimo mekanaingo. Satu orang tuna. Oh, sini kila na
When you bring Nimo,
Yeah.
and see Junior said, "Who's this?" You tell Junior, "You go outside."
Go outside meluto na tahu namu. Masih warai tu orang anak kangkung from the tall guy.
Right.
The one with the yellow bucket.
Orang Matagali.
Yo Matagali was there. Thank you very much. Tobi ikaw itakir to na bubale. Wale un TikTok sa nila ko lako.
Nabalew TikTok.
Thank you very
Wait,
much.
I love their song.
Yeah.
Nabalew Nimunimu is the best conductor.
Yeah.
And nasir lutu.
Right. Bexen.
And Kolitu was tuning the Dulce's song.
TikTok. Nabalew sara Nimunimu. But kaya kamdo kaya sara na TikTokers.
Yeah.
And I have them in singing no. And I'm going to be taladi. We ouch ba.
What time you suto?
Kusudo.
Who you?
Kali na isuto.
What time you suto the pillow?
Yeah.
In your head?
No, I suto 10.
No, not 10.
Wala ba daru ko bata?
Reach home 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Suto 5 past 6. Because last night, myself, after the grog at the Ouchumam's place, the runabout,
Yeah.
myself went and continue the grog at the Valelewu Kababa.
Boy, hindi na ka nalaling ka po sa tiyo.
Opposite the
Police station.
Kalawa.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kalewa. Muna ka to Kalewa Petro. When I was there, and I saw the mama, Chiria will pass.
Yeah.
That's after 10, 11.
Yeah.
I said, we're going.
Yeah.
We're going down to the...
Where's the devil?
yeah.
Huh?
They go,
You asked Chineab, where's the devil?
What's the devil? No! The devil already in Mother Allen. What the devil asleep?
Wango
5 past 6.
Wango chine ube undarula kundali bitala talabita orto likanta bo wango now chine abu.
Yeah.
Abu nongo tu sari ni bitala tala kina kita. Ala ko momo misali kanta bu. Atuno kantor la kantor bitala tala wango. Abu nongo tu sana bitala tala kina kita.
Sakota kayo kurakan di Vital Tal.
Untayani. Mo de bukan tua. Wani bila wala usarbi kemna ngona na sa Evangelista may Deborah.
Right.
Na Koribasu may Kuku.
Right.
Kemdo na weka di bubale may
Hey,
Ilanga.
nimo kay naggeng se grog sartungango.
Ah?
Siningin yung TikTok.
Boy, sa songan tamat kuku.
Yeah.
Uy.
Is guest man.
Oh, binabalaw Sara.
Naka.
Wani ni binana buni ben karabi.
Right.
Baby Shark reach home.
No, this is the story. Wait, I have the video. You
Okay.
will see later.
Alright.
Baby Shark talking to one girl.
Yeah.
And Jay that Timbu said, when you talk to one girl, you
Yeah.
have to, how you will end that story.
Baby Shark and one ex
Yeah.
share one bed.
Oh.
Yeah.
In the middle of the bed.
Molasses.
In Newtown.
Yeah. I think in Newtown. Ni Weka. Guest man, may Newtown, sarto grog ha. Saan din? Oh. Wala ni ba na mo ni semati and matagal ni kuha kalau kalau
Singaw. Boleh benaka.
Right.
Mera ni rinakama asijo dolati.
Right.
Isa.
Mel na dali.
Nabaliw.
Okay,
Na,
okay.
ando na
Right, sa nabante takin na mata timingo.
Right.
Matsikita ko naman takin ko.
Iya.
O di luta ka naman do plan na no.
Oto bata.
Oh, meron ni
Okay.
sir na kamasya.
Mesan doon singa sana so tabat kita bat mesan mugsar nga pa tabat.
No, that's
Eh?
my basu. Don't do like it to my basu.
Eh? Sana kau yan ni Petero.
Iya.
Lo ka takin men na baya. Sana gaya on.
Nabaya
Na
do.
Bexen way bunang onong ko bangkarang ngonit ko sakun me panlutunan lo.
Iya.
Right, wani ni binaka keto me keto sada batal ngai ke.
Doro na.
Nabaliw Sara
Wait, nanta ni simbolo doro bitu kono hol.
Ha?
Dani simbolo.
Oh, right. Wani binana bun ben garabi.
di
Kaya mo
Jeris.
Petero, Rosini ngau tunga.
Nabalew.
Woo! Wani ni binaka. Leto kan dani ben garabi.
Petero.
Iya.
Ano tau?
Iya.
Babi na ka na mubah.
Iyo,
Kats.
babi naka. Kento na kay
Lega nga
lega
ni kamro talan do step.
Meta di baya na lockdown.
lockdown. Okay, so na miso ta kasakun kay lockdown.
Yeah.
Misa na dani ba na URS.
Tama